13 and 14 Gen Intel CPU owners, do this now to save your CPU from damaging. The Intel 13 and 14 Gen have been facing a lot of instability issues there. Users can experience random blue screen crashes all that. Intel actually released a BIOS update that could potentially save your Intel 13 and 14 Gen CPU. But if your CPU from these two generations are already experiencing blue screen and random crashing, right, I suggest you reach out to Intel and see if you can get it replaced. For those who are yet to experience any failure sign yet, please go and update your BIOS with this microcode 0x129 now to save your CPU. First, you need to know what brand and type your motherboard is. If you don't know, check your motherboard box. In my case, right, I'm using the ROG Strix Z790E Gaming Wi-Fi 2 as an example. Next, go back to your motherboard side. Go to support. Under support, you go to driver and utility. Go under BIOS firmware. Make sure your BIOS has this description called microcode 0x129. Just take note of the instruction for the motherboard manufacturer, such like this. Once you download the BIOS, remember to extract it out. Put it into a thumb drive like this. Restart your computer. Keep pressing delete or F2 until you go to BIOS. Next, go back to your BIOS to update your BIOS. When you click on ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility, right, it will prompt you to either flash via storage or via internet. Choose storage, then choose your storage from the list. From there, you choose the BIOS file that you copied into just now. Usually, it has a .cap behind. It will then prompt you, do you want to read this file? After that, you will encounter another prompt. Do you really want to update BIOS? Click yes. After that, let it run. After running finish, your BIOS will be updated already. So with this BIOS update, it should prevent your 13 and 14 Gen CPU from failing. Follow me for more tips on building custom gaming PC.